Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious Pozole Rojo de Pollo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 4 pounds of chicken breast with rib, 50 ounces of pre-cooked hominy, 12 New Mexico chile pods, 1 chile ancho, 3 chile moritas, 1.5 small onion, 1 head of garlic, 3 bay leaves, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by filling up our pot halfway with water. To that we're going to add 1 small onion, 1 head of garlic, our 3 bay leaves, and salt. We're going to set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, so once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our chicken. Okay, so right before it comes to a boil, we're going to see all of the impurities from the chicken form on top of the broth. So we're just going to skim them to remove them because we want our broth to be nice and clear. Alright, so once we have removed the impurities from our broth, now we're going to be adding our pre-cooked hominy. And just make sure that you rinse it well before adding it to the pot. So just mix it. Now we're just going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until our chicken is fully cooked over medium-low heat. Okay, now while we wait for our chicken to cook, we're going to prepare our ingredients to make our sauce. So to our saucepan, add the New Mexico chile pods. Make sure to clean them. And of course, if you don't want to use New Mexico, you can always use guajillo. Along with that, our chile ancho and chile morita. Now just cover them with water. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Alright, so once our chiles come to a full boil, we're just going to transfer them to the blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our sauce. Alright, now to the blender cup, we're also going to be adding half of an onion, 3 garlic cloves, half a cup of the pre-cooked hominy, along with the chicken bouillon, ground cumin, oregano, and black pepper. We're going to be blending with 3 cups of water. Okay, now just blend until smooth. Alright, so once we have that, now we can take it back to the stove. Now on our saucepan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. So once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our sauce. And you can strain if you need to. But we're just going to be mixing it until it comes to a simmer. Once our sauce comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to low setting. And just allow it to continue simmering for 5 minutes. Make sure to mix it occasionally. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our sauce is done. So at this point, our chicken should be done as well. So now we're just going to remove it from the broth so we can begin to shred it. So we're just going to remove it. Here I'm also going to be removing the garlic and the onion. And now we're just going to pour our sauce. Make sure you grab it all. Don't let nothing go to waste. Now just mix it. Okay, so now we can go back and shred our chicken. All right, so once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, we're going to return it back to the pot. Along with that, I'm going to be adding some oregano. Make sure you wake it up. Okay, now just mix it. And taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. All right, so now we're just going to give it about 15 minutes. And then our delicious pozole is done, so we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, our delicious Pozole Rojo de Pollo is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and once we serve our pozole, we can now get ready for the fun part, topping it. So of course, you can top it with all of your favorite toppings. I'm going to begin with some lime juice. Of course, our cabbage. I got my purple onion. Some radish. And because I like my pozole spicy, I'm going to top it with some salsa matcha. And just like that, I'm going to grab my tostada and top it with some sour cream. So now we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super quick, easy, and so delicious. It's a small portion that you can enjoy all year round. It's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Now I like to top my chicken and my tostada. Just grab my granito with the broth. So I am so ready. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So flavorful. The chicken, the broth, it's honestly perfection. So good. The chile morita adds like a little hint of smokiness and a little spiciness, but of course, if you don't want your pozole to be spicy, you can always just use chile guajillo and add 1 chile morita. You know, but I do recommend you to add it because it honestly adds a good smoky flavor, and it's just so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious pozole rojo de pollo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.